Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you on how to make a car in Build-A-Boat for Treasure. So all you gotta do is go to the shop and buy this specifically. And once you've bought it, go to your building section and grab any block you like. For me, I'm going to use stone, because stone is cool. It's material in Minecraft after wood or tools. I'm going to build it out a few blocks. And after you've built it out a few blocks, you have to go and grab onto these. Once you've got these, you have to go and put them right here. So like a little bit of it is facing up out of the block. And then you have to rotate it so you can do it to the other side. And after you've done that, you have to grab the tires, and then you have to look down. Why you have to look down is that you have to put it right here, and you can't access it unless you look down. Then you have to place it on both sides. And then all you have to do is put these two tires back to back right here. And finally, as the finishing touch, you have to go grab a car seat so you can control it. And this is how you build the car. And all you gotta do is launch your boat. Then boom, you've built a car. You can steer left and right. And let's go! You've built a car. Oh, goodness. So yeah. You enjoyed this tutorial on how to build a car? Just, thanks for watching the video. And bye.